Langkawi is an island that is known to have 39 species of soft and hard coral out of Malaysia that possesses coral diversity of 550 species. The Datai Bay is one of the places that hold the richest marine biodiversity in Langkawi. The bay and its surroundings circle the coral reef growth in the water of this tranquil island. However, they are constantly at risk due to the local threats, natural disaster, and global climate change. Coral reef, an animal, or we call it the rainforest of the sea, inhabited over 0.15% in the world sea. It is estimated that the reef are home to 25% of all marine species. The coral contribute a diverse range of benefits to people around the world. Did you know climate change is one of the reasons that had dramatically affected the coral reef ecosystem? It is a fragile and sensitive animal that requires a particular set of environmental conditions. Thus, their loss will impair the marine environment globally and affect our economy. Coral reef rehabilitation started by rescuing damaged and broken coral reef at the Datai Bay that was severely affected through several reasons, such as tsunami, storm, human activities, and others. This is because the chances of survival are low and they can usually die. Then they were rehabilitated to the coral nursery for a few months, because by securing this broken coral in areas that give them proper growing condition can improve the coral health, diversity, and abundance. Finally, the corals fragments that are able to survive, which have gained their color back, will be able to proceed to the next step. The fragments will be attached to cement curb as a substrate so that the coral will not get washed away by the wave and others. Then all the coral fragments will be transplanted into an aluminium frame at the Datai Bay, and the staff will monitor it from time to time to check the surrounding, since it is essential for corals to need space and other resources. Thus, it will create new coral reef.
So, according to some studies that has been done around Langkawi waters, Datai Bay has one of the richest reef diversity. Actually, ocean is one of the greatest carbon sequester, of all the other ecosystem that we have. And so somehow I think it will help out, even though we are not we can only plant that much in a year, but it will certainly help to contribute overall those carbon sequester that is in the ocean. And so by protecting the ecosystem in the ocean as well, we are protecting other lives in it. So something that we cannot see, like plankton, and of course phytoplankton is it's plants, and so they are the ones that I would say the major contributor, on top of these other animals or other plants that is part of the reef ecosystem that can help in climate change.
Hence, we all, and particularly the youth, are accountable in taking measures to repress this issue before it is too late. As long as we protect the coral reef, we are protecting the ocean ecosystem.